Hey, what's going on? Got another how-to video for you. So I bought this Vingli pool solar reel off of Amazon, and you could see the wheel busted on me. I went back through the reviews, or its description says it's super sturdy, but obviously not as described. This thing is only 2 years old at the most. I do not recommend buying this wheel. I don't know what other options are out there, but every one, you can see look how loose these screws are. All these screws actually fell out down into the water the whole way through. You can see some missing here. I even super glued them back in with Gorilla Glue, and they still fall out. So this reel is just a bunch of junk. So I don't recommend it. But you know, it is a couple $100, so I want to get my money's worth out of it before buying a new one. So what I'm going to do here is just show you how I'm going to fix the wheel here now, just to try to get another couple years out of it. Alright, so I'm just going to take a hammer and try to bust all the pieces out of there, right? Try to get the wheel off of the axle. Alright, so I went to Lowe's, and this is the replacement wheel that I got. So note, I got 6-inch. It was probably 8-inch that was on it. I'm thinking 6-inch might be better because there's going to be less rocking back and forth and putting strain on the axle. This piece here is a spacer. Does not appear that I need the spacer. That piece is the outer washer. We're going to see if this original piece will fit back on there. I'll tap it back on with a hand. Alright, what I'm going to do is take the pliers, needle nose pliers here, and pry those little tabs out so it'll fit back on there. Alright, got the first wheel done. I'm going to go ahead and knock off the other wheel, even though the other wheel is fine. Just got the same type of wheel on both sides. Be careful not to bust this piece right here whenever you take it off, because you're going to put that piece back on. Alright, there we have it. Saved myself a couple $100 by not having to buy a new one. Pretty sturdy. It's going to work. Again, I'd use 6-inch wheels as opposed to 8-inch wheels, so there's not as much torque on the axle as you move it. Other things I'm not pressed about with this wheel, these things could just slide right off like that. It's not strategically placed. There's no way to lock these things in. Alright, hopefully that was helpful to you. Again, don't buy this model. Try to buy some other brand, but I don't know what else is out there.